taco review time. So let's go ahead and adjust you a little bit. We are currently, where we are? We're at Poco's Mexican restaurant. Where the hell is this guy at? I swear to God, I need to get better with this thing. It is at 20917 Sherman Way, Canoga Park, California, 91303. Poco's Mexican restaurant. I guess they do menudo, pozole, whatever that stuff is. But of course, you guys already know the rules. You go into a taco place, you say, you know what, give me whatever you're known for. So what they did is they went ahead and hooked me up right here. This is their signature shrimp taco. Of course, they made it all fancy. They dolled it up. You know, they're trying to butter me up. I swear to God, I walk in here, they're trying to butter me up. They're trying to give me a table, a little review area. And I said, no, that's not how we do things. What we do is we do it out there. I'll show you. They set me up. It's really actually kind of adorable. And you know, it's gonna kind of, I don't want it to ruin the score. But they're sweet, sweet people. But I mean, let's just see how the taco is and we'll go from there. And of course, you know the first rule. The first rule is to go ahead and just go in straight like it's like you're trying to have a baby, nothing on it, just raw dogging it. Well, that's actually really surprising. So let me let you understand what I'm eating here. What we have? This is like a tomato-based sauce. Okay, this is like, I actually thought it was like on a grill or like on a plancha or something like that. But like it has like big ass chunks of shrimp in it, and it's like in this like really spicy. Now, if you're Afghan, okay, or like thing, if you know something that's called a korma is just like something like, or if you went to an Indian restaurant, it's kind of like that, but without like the curry paste to it. Now let's go ahead and give it the roll with the lime. Now they already have the hot sauce on it. The hot sauce is all good to go. This lime is giving me some difficulty here. That's going with the second bite. I swear to God, lime makes everything better. Down it with all of this. Now, I don't know if this is one of those places that kind of has food that hits a little close to home because of Middle Eastern roots that I have, but the shrimp is nice and fresh. It's not chewy. The sauce that it comes with, it's like this tomato-based sauce that's just like, it's very, very comforting. The tortilla is really, really nice. It's not like that super soggy. It's nice and thin. It's not crispy. It's not oil. I mean, what do you want? What are you gonna do? El Poco, or Poco's Mexican restaurant. We're gonna go ahead and give you a 7-1. 7-1 shrimp taco. But I gotta show you exactly what they did over here. So let's get you off of this. Ooh. So we're gonna get you off of this and we're gonna go ahead and go. They made me this cute little table. It's actually super adorable. Coming right over here. Look at this. This is what they did. Little table for one. They got me my chips. They got me 3 types of the. Like, I gotta try. Now you know what? I gotta try the rest of this. What do you want me to do? So the first one. Ooh. Come on, focus. So the first one is gonna be this, whatever this hot sauce is. I honestly have no idea what that is. But let me try it. Woo! That is like some hot oil and a half. And then we have this other hot sauce that they get. Holy shit, that one's a really kicker. Then we have this other hot sauce. Oh, that's refreshing. That is super spicy too. If you like spice, I swear to God, I should have just got some of that salsa and then put it on here. And then they have this salsa here. Right here. Let's give this guy a whirl. Oh, the salsa is bomb. The salsa is really, really good. Now, my score isn't going to change. We're going to stick with the same score. I just want to show that they were trying to butter me up, give me this. They had drinks coming. There's a bunch of cute little ladies, like older ladies that are sitting there trying to take care of a dude. Well, if you like this review, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. Oh God, that was so spicy. for up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase. Any mortgaging assistant, link in the description below. Follow us. We'll find the best taco in the whole entire United States eventually. Till next review, guys. Thank you for watching.